Good morning, students. Today in science we would be learning the topic solids, liquids and gases. Here you can see ice in solid form, water in liquid form, steam in gaseous form. You will learn about solids, liquids, gases, change of form. Solid. A thing that has definite shape and size is called a solid. Example, pencil, eraser, book, etc. Here you can see the example of solid. One book is kept and one pen, and it occupies a shape. When solids are ground to a powder, they can flow through holes of containers when sprinkled. Example, talcum powder, salt, and pepper. Sand also move inside an hourglass. Liquids. Things such as water, oil, and milk do not have a fixed shape. They flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. Such things are called liquids. Here you can see the example of liquid, milk. Difference between solids and liquids. Solids have a fixed or definite shape, whereas liquids do not have any definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Solids do not flow, whereas liquid flow easily. Gases. A thing that has no shape or size of its own is called gas. Water vapor is a gas. Most gases cannot be seen. Gases are all around us. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air moves from one place to another. Moving air is called wind. We breathe in the air that contains a gas called oxygen. All living things need oxygen to breathe. Here you can see the example of solid, liquid and gas. Change of form. First one is boiling, evaporation, condensation, freezing and melting. Water freezes to form ice. Ice melts to form water. So when the water is heated longer, small bubbles start forming. This process is called boiling. Here you can see the water is boiling. Evaporation. The process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating is called evaporation. Now in this picture you can see that the water is poured and then the water is evaporated. Means it's changing into gas. Condensation. The process by which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. There is an activity to observe condensation. The materials needed are a steel or a glass tumbler and ice cold water. Method: keep ice cold water in a steel or glass tumbler. Leave it for 5 minutes. What do you observe? Observation: there are water droplets on the outer surface of the tumbler. Conclusion: there is a water vapor in the air. When the water vapor comes in the contact with the cold surface of the tumbler, it cools down and condenses to form water droplets. Okay. Melting and freezing. The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. When you kept ice outside for 5 minutes, it freezes. Okay, due to heating. Now freezing. The process by which a liquid changes into a solid on cooling is called freezing. Thank you, children.